So here's the harsh truth. AI hasn't killed developers, but it has completely changed what it means to be one. Think about it. 3 years ago, if you could center a div, you were a junior dev hero. Now, AI can write entire components, generate boilerplate, even debug your code while you're still sipping coffee. But here's the plot twist. Instead of replacing us, AI has exposed us. If all you can do is copy and paste Stack Overflow snippets, AI is already better than you. Brutal, I know. What AI can't do, though, is care. It doesn't know why a feature matters, or how to build something people actually want. That's where developers prove their worth. Creativity, problem solving, empathy for the user, AI can't fake that. And let's be real. Most dev jobs are not about solving LeetCode puzzles or writing clever one-liners. They're about navigating messy legacy code, arguing over API design, and shipping something that won't explode in production. I won't take that pain away. Here's the bottom line. AI didn't kill devs. It just raised the bar. The devs who only memorize syntax, gone. The devs who build, adapt, and actually ship things, they're about to become unstoppable. So the question is, are you just a code typist, or are you the builder AI can't replace?